Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm tackling this job with the rusty stepper for my Caravan upgrade. So first up, I scrap off the walls of the rust and hit it with a sander. And yep, the classic DIY moment. I also hurt myself. So here it is, but no pain, no gain. Okay, so just keep going. Next, I apply a rust guard to protect it from future corrosion. This stuff, it works great. Just left over from the chassis. Once that was dry, I sprayed with a black paint for a fresh look. I had some aluminium left over from the water tank base. I also cut it in a piece and secure it with extra durability. Looks good. Then I cut a piece of plywood coated with heavy duty skull bottom and rubber for waterproofing. I painted with that product and install it. Also glue it, and then I put some heavy duty glue to the checker plate. That checker plate was a leftover also from the sides of the Caravan, so this is what I use. This is the final result, guys. I hope you like it. Happy Caravan, and I hope it helped you. Any questions, please write in the comments. Thank you.